Hi everyone. My name is Ruth Jackson, and I'm the author and producer of my video called Sigh. Um, the reason why I made the video was because I really liked the poem that I wrote. It's very sensual. It has a lot of imagery, and I just figured it'd be really cool to see what it was. The vision that I had inside my head just turned into a visual video pretty much. So I decided to give it a try to see what happens, and it turned out pretty good. Um, and basically, the purpose of this is just for fun, and people watching it just to see what it's like for a poem be turned into a video. Um, Basically, people can share it with their friends, family, other people who like poetry, um, that sort of thing. Um, the modes that I used were um, obviously video. I used sound. I also put captions on the bottom um, for people who are deaf or people who just want to also sort of keep um, the written part of my poem as well. Um, my mediums were using my computer pretty much. Um, I also used my webcam to do this. Um, I use my camera, my video camera, to actually do the video of me washing my face by the sink in the bathroom. Um, and also a microphone so everyone could hear my voice. Um, it's, I guess the meaning would be basically sensual, just, there's no real, this isn't a how-to video. Um, I don't think there's really one set way to wash your face as long as you use soap, water, that sort of thing. But it, I think doing a poem video style clarifies what it is that's in my head when I wrote the poem. So just granted, it takes away the imagination of the person who reads the poem versus a person who watches it. So basically, that aspect is taken away from them, but at the same time, it gives the audience a chance to see exactly what I'm seeing. So it's a different connection um, rather than just the audience imagining what it's like for me to wash my face to actually seeing me wash my face. So there is a big difference there. Um, and it is sort of a performance in some ways. Not really a play or anything, but um, just, yeah, it's just a fun little thing that I decided to do, and I really hope that you enjoyed it.